Great meals begin with ingredients properly cared for. A space designed for convenience, with efficient cooling performance around the clock. Frozen or fresh, multiple ways to store. Crafted with precision and quality for every kitchen and home. Engineered with dual hygiene technology across each temperature zone for lasting freshness. Built with innovation that you can always trust. Coway Side-by-Side Refrigerator and Coway Multi-Door Refrigerator. Made for the heart of every home. Designed for better everyday living.